Hello, welcome to Top Trading Gauge. Today, 21st September, and we had the Fed meeting, FOMC meetings, and today we had a blast in the market. Pretty much, we all know we had a good time today. So, what exactly market did today? So, let's take a look at it. If you can see right here, there was a gap left by earlier, right here in. You see right here around right there was a gap left and market went in July. You can look at the date here, July, right here. That was the gap. So today market filled that gap. You see that? So how did they do it? So in the morning, if we take a look at it right here, 5-minute charts, let's go. And if you take a look at it, we had a gap right here left on September 20th, yesterday gap. That gap, so market did ran up right here we ran up to the top. We filled up the gap. We knew all these things while we were live. We announced that, hey, there will be a fill the gap and then might be a rejection. We take a look at it. We see the wick above the bottom. I say, hey, yep, there is a rejection coming in. We got the rejection. And then we went down. We found that triple top at the bottom. And right here, when we were trading in minutes, and then we went down right there. 1, 2, 3, sloping. I said, yep, market going down. And then what market did basically is went all the way down to fill the gap down to daily, which is right here, coming out all the way from July. So we fill the gap down here. So that's the job is done. This one is done. So now what do you think, Josh? Well, if you take a look at this cycle right here, this is the downward cycle, bearish cycle, right? So market has a lot of pressure today. FOMC meetings, and they announced the 3/4 point Fed rate raised up. So there is a lot of liquidity will be pulled out of the market also as the rate rises. More the difficulty is ahead of us, but that's fine. That's what how market actually is trying to fix the problem with the inflation issue we have. But what about tomorrow? That's what everybody interested. Guys, remember, tomorrow is Thursday and day after tomorrow is Friday. So imagine all these bear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these 6, lot of days. Like even if you look at my last 3 days, bears are right here at the bottom. So what if they take it little up tomorrow? Because they already fill the gap down here, which the job is done. And if they take it up, all the bear could lose the money too. So this is the thesis of thinking I'm thinking right now at this point. That is the one scenario I'm looking at. Though we have, right here, if you take a look at the cycle, support is here, resistance here. We are no man's zone right now at this particular point. So I would give a time for the market maker. Let's see which direction they want to go in the morning. Give them time. Just like today, we gave about 3 hours, right? We gave about them 3 hours, and then we had a beautiful time, So same thing. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Most likely, why? Because the gap has been filled. I don't know what their agenda is behind to fill in the gap today in the late. Though the pre-market might be looks like negative, they might open a little pre-market more down, and then they take it up. Could be anything. So anyway, so that's what it looks like. We are 100% cash. We don't want to just jump in anything right now at this point when it comes to intraday. So guys, see you tomorrow morning actually 9:30 a.m. All right, thanks, bye.